Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another update for my Panda Palette challenge, and it's quite the update. Without further ado, we're gonna get started because I feel like this will be a long one.
That's what she said.
Let me get some baby wipes because I will do some swatches, obviously. Okay, so I think we're gonna start off with the ones that I got new this month. I got an advent calendar from my best friend with the makeup in, and that's by Smile Cosmetics, Smile with a Z, and I got 2 quads. So I literally got 8 new eyeshadows, which to some people is great, but to me it's just like I've been working so hard to use eyeshadows up, and now I get new ones. Let me take this off. It's way too warm. But yeah, like I'm not complaining. I was doing so well with using everything up, and now I got 8 new shadows. But yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to show them to you. This is the blue quad, like I call it. I did a look with this that will be up next week, I think. And then this is like the green and red-ish thing. So the blues, spoiler alert, they don't swatch that nicely, but they're still not that bad. So I'm going to do a few swatches here and there. As you can see, this is swatching really well, but they don't look that bad on the eye. Like I said, spoiler alert, but they look good. Although I feel like this one and this one look kind of the same on the eyelid. Okay, and then the green and pinkish, I don't even know what color this is. I will swatch this as well. Also not that bad. I mean, this you can see. Also, like it is greenish here in the quad, but on the eye it probably looks like gold. And then these two swatch nicely. It's also with the blue one, the darker ones, they swatch better than the lighter ones. But I will also do a video on these. Then try this out. So that was it for the new ones. Okay, and then I'll show you this one because I used this one up. This is the Alternative Rock Take It For Granted. By the bomb that I got just a few months ago, last month, I remember. By the bomb, and I got in a Look Fantastic box, and this completely empty. I took this pan out and it was up. It's a beautiful, like taupe mauve shade, kind of like this here on the packaging. I used it up. It was amazing. Very easy to hit pan because I just love using it so much. So you know, obviously you hit pan easily. Really enjoyed this. If I could, I would repurchase this. Then I'll show you my magnetic palette. I actually want to say my other magnetic palette. I only have one. So this is still in here. This is one by, I think it was Catrice. It's a blending shade that I use. I use it today all over the light. Yeah, this is still going strong. Although I feel like it's a bit loose in this pen, so I'll try to not touch it too much. If you remember from last time, there was a blush in, or even the time before. I tried to use it as an eyeshadow and it's just not really working as an eyeshadow. It's not that great to work with, so I put it back into my blush shape. I put it back into my blush drawer, so I will use that as a blush whenever I have time. And I put this in. This is technically a highlighter by Laura Mercier, I think. But it's just not my thing. Like, I'm way too pale to use this as a highlighter, so I use it as an eyeshadow. Very beautiful. I will like using this. You can see it a bit on my hands. You know what, I will give a swatch of this as well. Yes, I love this. The thing is, it was like a swirl highlighter thing, you know, with swirls in. And that was so hard to use. Because in order to actually fully use it, it had to be like even, you know what I mean? So it was really hard to use as a highlighter in the first place, and then it also wasn't my shade. So I used it as an eyeshadow. Why not? I'll show you this one, my Makeup Revolution palette that I used obviously on a daily basis, and I used up Oak, which was my brush shade, and now I also pan this one, which is Antique. Yes, I mean it's not that, I mean it is a nice pan, oh come on, let's be honest. And then this I haven't touched because this is Last Man Standing, and I will use this once this is gone. But so far, I'm actually very, very happy with this. Like literally only 2 shades left. Oh, so excited. Kind of sad it's gone. Like I was complaining about this palette for a long time, but now that it's almost gone, it's bittersweet. Oh, and also I actually hit pan on the balm one, and I used it up in 1 month. And now for the grand finale for my chocolate palette, this I used up 1, 2, 3 ones. I used up 3. Crazy. Now let me explain what I mean with using up 3. I got rid of this one, which is Strawberry Bonbon, because you didn't freaking see it. It was a pink, and you didn't even see it on my eye. Literally, it was like you didn't see it. And also got rid of, which one was it? I don't remember. Currently using this one, Black Forest Truffle. And then this is still Valhalla, the color that is still there, still going strong, and I'm still using it. Okay. Hold on. My dog, again. So, I think I got rid of triple fudge. Could that be it? I don't know. I use up hot chocolate. Okay, that's what I wrote down. I only wrote down empty and then two-faced. What does that, like, yes, what does that mean? I need to write it down a bit more, like, more precise, because I have no idea what I use up. But yeah, this is all that's left, and I'm actually very happy with this. Okay, I'm enjoying this. So let's just go back to everything and then I'll show you what I try to use, what my goals are for next month, which will be January. Oh my god, okay, calm down. These I probably won't use because I have like the Blue Moon palette by Too Faced, by Colourpop, which also has blues in, so I probably won't use this unless I really feel like it. This I will use in an upcoming video probably to test it out. Same for the other one. I've already filmed that and it's uploaded. I just need to publish it, but probably use it once and then not again for a long time, because again I still have a lot of shadows left that I want to use up first, you know, that I've had for longer than this. Oh yeah, my goal, that will never happen. Ultimate goal would be to use this one up. Ultimate goal. It will never happen. I think we all know that, but it would be nice. Unless it breaks and shatters and falls into my sink or on the floor, but it would be nice. And then maybe I have pan. It's not, the thing is, this is not really a pan. I thought it was a pan, but it's just like plastic. I don't know if you can see it. It's just plastic. So it's not even sticking in my magnetic palette like this does. See? This is just like rubbing around basically. And my goal would be to hit pan, but then again, I'm scared because there's nothing that will catch it, you know? It's just, there are holes in. Let me show you. Do you see this? And I feel like if I would hit the pan, there would just be a hole in this hole, in the shadow, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I'd love to hit pan on this, or have a hole in this eyeshadow. It's weird, oh my god. Also, do you see what I mean with swirling around? Yeah. Then I want to continue to use this, which I will probably use until, I feel like I want this palette to be gone until I go on vacation, which probably will be in July. Can I do this? This is just my eyebrow shade, and today I don't even have it on. Can we do this? Can I do this? Hope. Yeah, that will be my goal to use it as much as I can, obviously. And then for this, I really want to use this one up. Because it's not annoying me, but it's been there forever. And it's a huge pan. It's like 2 pans. As you can see, it's the size of 2 pans, and I just want to use that. This one I'm currently using, Black Forest Truffle. It is beautiful, right? But it has a lot of glitter in. Oh, you can see it on camera. Oh, there you go. It has glitter in. And I don't really know how I feel about this yet. But I'll continue to use it. Maybe hit pan. That would also be very cool. But yeah, this is what is left. And then once I finish this, I will probably go to this one, because, you know, darker color, lighter color, darker color, lighter color. There's that. That was my, I don't even know at what update we are. I've been doing this for a long time. I feel like even though I used up a lot of eyeshadows and I get new ones, you know, it's like a constant rotation, it still always comes back to this. Because I got this 3 years ago, December 2016. And I still have it. It's kind of, I don't want to say it's taking the fun out of this, but if you have a palette that is still there after 3 years, and even though we use up a lot, you know, and hit pan, and, you know, it's a bit frustrating. So anyway, I'm at 93 eyeshadows currently. I still have my advent calendar left, which there will probably be more eyeshadow in, probably. If I remember correctly, in the Look Fantastic box will be another eyeshadow palette by Stila? I think it was Stila, I'm not really sure. So another palette. But you will see that next month, and hopefully I have some more empties. I did good this time around, but, you know, it's just one eyeshadow in this huge palette that is still there. Okay, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you used up, and how your projects are going, whatever that is. You know, Project Pan, Panda Palettes, Project Used Up, Project I don't even know what. And yeah, I'll see you next video. keep it on for now. Okay, so thumbnail. I'm gonna drop something. Then I'll show you my other magnetic pedal. Then I'll show you my other magnetic pedal. Oh my god. Family picture right here.